Too salty.
Are you ready? Go!
So is Chun, Nhan, Nhan, Makoto, Dudley. It's being used right now.
Being used right now.
Prepare to strike. Now!
Yeah.
As long as you don't pick those 6, pick whatever you want.
Yeah, we've only been used to that because character tournament. Huh? Character lock? Stick to your gun? Do we all vote on that? I mean, character lock.
You win.
Next is Rudy versus Kaz.
Okay, is one of you guys gonna play Ryu?
Okay, I need a
Now, find a new rival.
Every time I speed things up.
Who are you gonna pick, Rudy?
Probably gonna go to Rudy after that.
Go!
Killing him off, killing him off. Next one there, right?
Alright, that's cool.
Next one.
Fight is ready. Engage.
Good pick, Alex. Non-bombs. Non-bombs.
You win.
Character lock, right?
Yeah.
Character lock.
Character lock.
Now, find a new rival.
Yo, everybody's done. Yeah, speed up.
Prepare for battle.
Whoa! He's going for it. I don't know. Against Kaz? I mean, against Yang? I don't know. Against Yang alone right now. I don't know. Oh, Rudy went for it. Not giving him. He went for his color too. He went for his color too.
I'm waiting for this. Are you ready? Go!
To build a meter, to build a meter. Already. Rudy! You can't salty!
You win.
Next is Juan versus Max.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter 3. Prepare for battle.
Gotta pick right.
Well, I got prepare to strike.
You gonna pick Yang or no?
No, I can't.
Kill him?
Yeah, kill him.
Basic combo.
Alright, that's cool. Into the heat of battle. Go for it.
Horrible.
You win. Alright, that's
Legs is
cool.
like regular, but whoever gets the highest grade.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter Racing. Hey, well, I got battle. Go for it.
They pick Necro, go for that stun.
So it gets written down. So you play the tournament, right? And obviously, if you win, you have more chances of getting a better grade. So whoever has the best grade at the end. So at the end, you can lose the final match. Lose in a way that the other guy doesn't get a high grade.
Battle. Go for it.
Same thing. No, not at the end of the night. Tournament. You play it out the same way, except whoever gets the highest grade. So you can get a good grade on the first match, and then lose the second match.
Round. Go.
Finals and win.
Huh? I don't know. Probably not. I just saw I'm playing Pyro. Oh, you're going fucking addicts too. I can't What was something odd?
Oh my goodness.
You win.
Harry versus Charlie.
What, dude? Charlie. Oh, I gotta pick the same character.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street
Who's
Fighter.
stepping to the ring, bro? Hey, pass it over here.
Press the button, Ricardo.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this. Fighters
And
ready.
he gets to practice
Game.
Have you got enough after you
Alright, that's cool. Into the heat of battle. Go for it. You win. Alright, that's
Huh?
cool.
Backbreaker with Hugo, you can talk.
Yeah.
Now,
Neutral girl, right?
Well, you pretty much know, depending what character it is.
prepare to battle.
Like, for example, Dudley, you could just, yeah.
confirm?
Yeah, it's pretty much safe.
And it's 4 times for the 50%?
Yeah, you do the.
Go.
No, you can't sell to. Max, you won that?
Fight is ready. Engage.
Wow.
Sweeping. Sweeping. Party?
Final round. Go for it.
Next is Nhan versus Kaz.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter 3. Well, I got prepared for battle.
I'm thinking what everyone's using.
Hey, you ran out of time.
No, I thought you had to kill the character.
You have
I'm not
to
gonna.
kill him.
I'm not gonna play Necro.
Fight is ready. Engage.
You already see. You have a pretty good Ryu.
Guys, where are you gonna play?
Character lock with the gang.
You already played a match?
Yeah, I got it.
Nah,
I got mixed up on the side. I thought
Go for it.
it didn't work.
That was good.
They have like 2 or 3 of them.
Alright, that's cool. Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter 3. Well, I got here to battle.
Wait, it's the match right here?
No, just kill him.
Are you ready? Go.
This is fast.
9 seconds.
Alright, that's cool. Into the easy battle. Go for it.
That's pretty fast. The Fierce was better.
You win. Alright, that's cool. Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter 3. Prepare for battle.
What the fuck?
Well, I got
I don't think. I've not seen this. I don't think.
Early days now.
I've not seen this.
Early days now.
battle. Go for it.
Kaz scared. There you go.
Oh.
There you go. I think it helped it.
I know it works.
Oh, I messed up.
Nice, Cass. Staying in there. I like it.
Woo!
I like it.
Engage.
What the fuck?
Next is
Pyro versus Ricardo.
me versus Pyro.
One off, Pyro.
Can I go here?
No.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter. Prepare for battle.
Hey, where are you going?
What?
Where are you gonna pick?
Here.
Huh?
Where are you gonna pick this? You.
I'm asking who you're gonna
Alex. Seconds, 4 seconds.
Well, I got
Oh, look at you counter picker.
I'm waiting for you.
Look at the counter picking.
Hey, you know that?
Are you ready? Go.
Oh my god, what are we doing?
That was a good combo.
I don't even want to do a shot. I just want to clean it off.
And they grabbed us.
That's necessary.
What the fuck is we have fucking fell off a picture
You're
with?
standing around now.
Standing around?
Hey, crouch, Pyro.
Alright, that's cool.
You're crouched, you
Fighters
pick
ready.
like 6,
Engage.
7 picks.
Yes, you go, yeah.
You win. Alright, that's cool.
Look at you counter picking. How dare you?
Hey, you know, this is like, they need to
Could've
fucking
even
Oro and
You could
shit.
have got Remy too.
I mean, this is day 2 Oro versus like, stun gun Alex.
Go for it.
That wasn't so bad at all.
Prepare to strike. Now.
Oh my god. I should have.
You win.
You just pick Remy, man.
No, I was afraid of the stun.
What's next?
Is it me, Pyro, since it's the same character? Since it's, he's already here, the character's Alex. Yeah.
You want to do that?
You
Go
know what I
ahead.
mean?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter. Prepare for battle.
Non-stop Hugo.
Yeah?
Storyline right here. Look at this entrance.
WrestleMania.
Fighters ready. Engage.
You go backbreaker.
Oh!
You go
Good job.
backbreaker.
You can backbreaker that?
Hey, I just lost you. I'm a bit salty. Hey, I'm a bit salty. Use it. Short. Nice. Bringing it back? I think not.
Final round.
No, I'm gonna take it. There we go. There you go. Abuse it. Abuse it. I'm telling you. That's it. That's it. Pyro, you got it. Congratulations. Yeah. That was good. That was good, bro. That was good, though.
Win.
Harry versus Max.
Henry Max.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter. Are you ready? Go.
Oh yeah, let's see 6 of them.
It's harder to do it on Alex. Yeah, I was trying it.
All right, that's cool. Prepare to strike. Now.
Wow.
You win. All right, that's cool. Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter. Prepare for battle. Well, I got yeah.
You think you got a good sweater, but this shit is gonna
Are you ready? Go.
Yeah, that was it.
There, right. Now.
Oh, Pyro, this is it. It's for two salty.
Grand finals?
Grand finals.
I got the A+. High grade so far. A+.
Find a new
Yeah,
rival.
you knew you were gonna be good.
It's best 4 out of 7?
Single elimination. This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
No salties.
Whoa, Nelly.
Back up.
Nice, nice. One more. One more.
I would do for Alex.
Battle. Go for it.
This is it. This is it. This is it. Harry. Harry. Finish it. Finish it. Ah. Congratulations. You got 2 salties. How you doing? You want to do another one?
Yeah.